Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to clear Instagram search history. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account. And then just tap on your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. Tap on the three lines on the top right. And in here, just go to the search option, and you can also go to the search icon on the lower left corner, and then tap on the search bar and tap on see all, and here you will find the searches you have made. Then tap on clear all and tap on clear all again, and there, as you can see, there is now empty search. So yeah, this is how easily you can clear Instagram search history. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.